This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in an iconic Gold Coast location on Astor Street, looking south toward the building formerly known as the Hancock and the building formerly known as the Sears Tower. Panning around for a view out over Lake Michigan, out to the north toward North Avenue Beach and Lincoln Park. Louis Sullivan and Frank Lloyd Wright's Charnley House, just a few steps away here. True Gold Coast location. As good as it gets. Your steps from Oak Street Beach, a short walk from the Mag Mile shops, everything nearby. I've just stepped off the balcony into this great living, dining, kitchen area. Window facing south, and floor-to-ceiling windows facing east. The unit's going to flood with light throughout the day. A very spacious room. A wide variety of ways in which you can lay out a lot of furniture. Although there's an area here that begs to be treated as the dining area. Kitchen is very stylish, very high-end. It's a wide breakfast bar peninsula, cooktop, stainless steel appliances, tons of cabinet and counter space, quartz counters and backsplash, wine cabinet up above. It's an under-counter microwave and a conventional and convection oven. Great space. Very attractive finishes throughout the unit. Wide plank flooring continues through both living and sleeping areas. Heading toward the guest bath and the second bedroom. There's a walk-in closet. You're going to see an unusual amount of closet and storage space in this unit. Bath has a white vanity, white tile throughout the bath up to the ceiling, and there's a rain shower head in the tub shower combination. Second bedroom is a nice size, faces east, has a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows looking out toward the lake, and custom organizers in the closet. Heading toward the master suite, great separation from the second bedroom. This is where you would have entered. There's a stainless steel front-loading washer-dryer behind the louvered door. Yet another closet with shelving off to the left of that. Walking into the master suite, a wide double vanity with a bank of drawers, very sleek chrome-framed mirrors, and designer fixtures. There's an oversized shower, again with a rain shower head and tile, floor-to-ceiling, wall-to-wall throughout the bath. There's a walk-in closet, lighting that's activated by motion, and a very large master. Floor-to-ceiling windows with a view to the skyline to the south. Plenty of space to have a master retreat here. Astor House is a boutique building in a very special Gold Coast location. Building has a rooftop pool, a fitness room. Put Astor House toward the top of your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment in a true Gold Coast location. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.